If you've ever looked at a building and wondered how it goes from an idea to a built form, this program shows you how to do so. The Architectural Technician 2-year program prepares you to work and collaborate alongside architects, designers, engineers, contractors, builders to help bring conceptual ideas to project life. As a student, you will learn to produce architectural drawings, apply technology to design, understanding building science principles with application to sustainable building practices, and use of construction materials. In the class environment, students will collaboratively utilize industry current software to create 2D and 3D drawings, as well as renderings, models, and technical documents used for construction of projects themselves. The program is project-based and interactive, so you will learn by doing. You will work as a part of a team to develop design solutions and gain an understanding of building systems, application of building code, and project planning. At time of graduation, you will have the technical skills and applicable experience needed to start your journey in industry and contribute to real building projects.
What I like most is how connected everything is. We're using advanced software, working through building codes, and collaborating on projects the same way teams do in industry. Each semester builds on the last, and you start to think more like someone working in the field.
Buildings require people who can communicate ideas, solve technical challenges, and turn concepts into detailed plans. If you are looking for a career that combines creativity, technology, and construction, the Architectural Technician program gives you the foundation to get started.